Hello guys, I am your new friend Tom. I will be teaching you Python. Today we will learn about user input in Python. The user input basically asks the user to give an input for the program. For that, we need an variable and an input statement. The thing we want the computer to print is given inside the input statement. If we look at the output, we will get something like this. If we simply write the input statement, the computer accepts the value as a string. We want to change that to an integer to do arithmetical operations. To do that, we use the int statement before the input statement. Now it will accept the number like an integer. So guys, now we will do a simple program which accepts two numbers from the user and gives the sum of the two numbers. For that, we need two input statements. First one for the first number and the second one for second number. Then we print the two variables by adding them together. Instead of directly adding a plus b, we can use another variable say c and give the value a plus b to it. Then we print c. It will also give the sum of two numbers. Let us see its output. Here I gave the value of first number as 10 and second number as 20. It gave the output as 30. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. That's it. By doing this program, the computer asks the user for only two inputs. But what if we want to change according to the user's requirements? We can do that. First of all, we will ask the user that how many times he needs the user input. Here comes the for loop. For I in range a, that means the number given by the user for how many times he want to need an input. Then for that much times we ask the user for an input. Then we find the sum and after that we print the sum. First of all, we want to declare the variable sum and give it a value 0. Otherwise, the line sum is equal to sum plus x will give an error. You look at the output. The computer asked me to give an input for the user input. I gave 3. Then it asked me to enter a number 3 times. I gave 10, 20 and 30. Then it gave the sum as 60. That's it for today's video guys. If you have any doubts or suggestions, give it in the comment box below. Please subscribe to my channel and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share this video. So bye bye.